Hello swimmers, and welcome to our Friday, April 18, 2008 Expiration edition of Market Wrap-Up. I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with thinkorswim. What a day we had today. This market was going straight up and there was nothing keeping it down. And that's why we go to Tom Petty for today's theme song. Market won't back down. And in today's trading, we were led by Google and are not backing down. We talked about this on yesterday's report, how they came out with such amazing earnings after the close yesterday. Today, just absolutely phenomenal. I mean, Google rallied like they rallied like there was no tomorrow, so to speak. It was amazing. The stock was up almost $90 on the day, $89.87 to close at $539.41. I mean, there's just not much to say there. It's an absolutely amazing story. The Dow itself was up 228 points. We had 26 advancers, 4 measly decliners. Our big advancer in the Dow today, Caterpillar, the big cat, up 8.5%. Very amazing. Again, this was a day with green everywhere. It was quite an impressive showing by the market. All right, what else do we want to look at today? Well, how long have we talked about these levels in the S&Ps? 1394 even, we said was the most important level on the S&P 500 future in terms of us continuing higher. We went up there, we went through it, but we didn't close over it. We still only closed at 1387 even. That's not to say that we can't make a run for it next week, but we really have to keep that number in mind as we start to go forward. The VIX creep back at the end of the day. The VIX actually got back above 20, and the VIX and the S&Ps did not close above 1394. I think there's a very important thing that happened at the end of the day. Makes me think we're going to have trouble getting through it once more. On Monday we have the auctions for government products, so it shouldn't be too big a news. On Tuesday we do have some news starting with Redbook in the morning and then existing home sales. They could have quite an influence on what happens in the market, and of course we continue with a bunch of earnings again next week. But I do think that these numbers are very significant. Please watch them as you trade next week. It's going to, as always, kind of set the tone if we can get through this 1394 even on the S&Ps and at the same time be under 20 on the VIX. All right, our sizzler of the day, unusual activity. GFI Corporation, GFIG is the symbol. Stock got smacked today, down $3.72, and very unusually high activity in the puts. We saw the May 15 puts, 13 3/4 puts, 12.5 puts, all with very, very high activity. We may continue on a downward movement here in this stock, so it's one that you should keep your eye on over the next few days, and an incredibly heavy volume on the stock also. All right, that's all for today. I hope you all enjoy your weekend. As I said, keep 1394 even in your head and keep 20 on the VIX in your head. Those are the numbers that we need to break out of in order for this rally to continue. Hope you all have a great weekend, good health, good trading. As always, I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with thinkorswim. Thank you very much.